Hello, wonderful creative people. This week we are going to be amazing you, possibly, with our equilateral triangles we've cut from JUNKO Box, and we're going to join those up with J-Fix corners. This will be our dog. I'm thinking this is his mouth at the front, head here, front legs are kind of here, back legs are kind of here. We need some sort of tail at the back with some ears either side. But I think that in a few minutes might just look a bit more doggy. Good thing is the corners are quite tough, so you can move it around and wrestle it a bit. And there is our nodding dog. I think he just needs a bit of a mouth. Triangle mouth, I think. Make him quite fierce. Just sketched a little rough idea of a mouth. I'm going to stick some paper on there using the little bits of red I've got left. So that's the dog, sort of techno robo devil dog, quite scary. It's actually really fun this, because you just push bits of card together and you've got a vague shape in your head. You've no idea how it's going to turn out or what's going to join up to what to make what. So you just have to sort of play it by ear. Okay, so we've made our black and white prototype flower shape. We're just going to add colour in now. We are just going to wedge the bits of paper in. If we were doing it permanently, we'd probably glue it. Bit of paper on top of our card, hold it on there, and then wedge it in there. Do the same on the other side. You have to be a little bit careful you don't crunch it up. Cool, we're going to do that all the way around, and shouldn't take long. We'll have a finished flower with a bit of luck. Fun, who'd have thought triangles could make so much?
I really like it. It looks like a very exotic flower.
Exotic flower, there we go. This is something anyone can have a crack at if they've got some J-Fix corners. Pretty simple and quite fun to put together. Lovely, take care, see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.